Hello, my people, my friends, my viewers. Muraho neza abantu banjye, inshuti zanjye, abankurikira. Today we are going to talk about the word abortion. Uyu munsi tugiye kuvugira hamwe ijambo bita kugukuramo inda. The word abortion, I found that it's a word we need also to talk about. We are not going in details, we are just going to look what effect about abortion. Uyu munsi ntabwo turi bugiye muri byinshi, ariko turahita turasa ku ntego tuvuga ibintu bitaba byiza, akantu katajya kaba keza mu gukuramo inda. According to my experience, I found that God has a reason to give anyone a baby. Has a reason to not to give somebody a baby. Ni ukuvuga ngo Imana ibizi impamvu iha umuntu umwana hanyuma n'undi ntimumuhe. That's why when God give you a baby, God knows why He gave you a baby. You don't know what God think. All I know for sure is that God knows reason He have made a baby in your womb. Ni ukuvuga ngo Imana ntabwo iguha ikintu itatekerejeho. Imana ibizi impamvu yaguhaye uwo mwana, ikamuremera mu nda, hanyuma uwo mwana akaba umwana. So we as ladies, we can't decide ourselves to say I don't want this kid. Ni ukuvuga ngo twebwe nk'igitsina gore ntabwo ari twe tuvuga ngo ntabwo ari twe dukwiye gufata umwanzuro tukica uwo mwana kandi atari twe twanamwihaye. Ni ngombwa yuko tugomba kumwakira kuko twamuhawe kandi uwamuduhaye azi impamvu. So whether you are in bad condition, whether you are in good condition, keep the baby God has made for you in your womb. Ngo waba uri mu gihe cyiza, waba uri mu gihe cy'ibihe bigoranye cyangwa se byiza, bika uwo mwana wawe kuko uwo mwana Imana izi impamvu yamuguhaye. That's what I can say about abortion. Icyo nicyo navuga kugukuramo inda. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy my idea. You too have to share me your idea with giving me a comment, subscribe, share, like. I love you. You are my bosses. Bye. Ciao, ciao.